It's the glamorous girl herself, and you all fell in love with this Velcro roller set look created by yours truly, but it retails for over $400, and I found a synthetic version coming in at under $40. A special thank you to adultPowers for requesting this. You definitely don't want to miss this because it's about to get real good. This is my first time experimenting with the Sensational Butter Lace collection, and this is unit 13 in the color 1B. Let's get into this cap construction. It's a little disappointing for me because honey, where's the 13x6 lace frontal? The parting space, it needed some work, so I went in with my hands to just pluck a few hairs, but be very gentle. This lace is incredibly soft. Now, you know me, in 2022, we should not have to pluck the hairline on our wigs, but girl, I could barely pluck as it is, and I just tried to do a little bit because who do they think they are, giving very much a hard, harsh hairline? I mean, my goodness, it was just too harsh. So my advice is to pluck what you can, but honestly, if you don't pluck, you're better off. Now, are all the butter lace units like this? Because if they are, it's going to be a hard pass for me. Can you get past that? Because the way I like to slay my wigs, something I'm not going to negotiate is a pre-plucked hairline. You have to have a more natural looking hairline. So drop down in the comments and let me know, because it gave harsh and it didn't need to. It kind of hurt me a little bit. Oh, and of course, for the ashy lace, I'm going in with a little bit of the Ebin New York lace tint spray in the color light medium brown. I'm working this into the area of the part as well as all across the entire hairline. Putting her on, I was flabbergasted. I was stunned, too stunned to speak, honestly. It was a great color match when you think about how I tinted this lace. Like, it's beautiful, but that hairline is just, I can't get past it. But this unit has some pretty nice things about it, so I'm not gonna be too hard on it. So I went in and I only wanted to use the bedhead hardhead spray. I wanted to keep this install routine really easy and simplistic, because you don't have different parting options, you don't have a lot of space on the lace, so it's just best to keep it minimal. And I'm telling you, the hardhead spray is the spray to use. It is going to melt into the skin. This lace, the little bit that we have, honey, is stuck. And for me, the only areas of this install where I wanted to use the Invincible styling gel was just around the ear tabs. So if you want to do this entire install routine and just use the hardhead spray, you totally could. And if you even wanted to blend a portion of your natural hairline into this unit, I think that would look absolutely gorgeous. Now this unit is big head friendly, so shout out to them for that. I love the length on this unit. I love the density. I love the 1B color because it gives the illusion of fuller hair. And for a lower price point, that's what we want to capture, a fuller, more dense looking unit.
Magnificent.
If nothing else, I'm gonna melt that lace. So after I let the elastic band set for about 10 to 15 minutes, I started doing my adult swoops. I did what little that I could. The most prominent adult swoop is around the parting space. I feel like you gotta do the magic there. That's the place where you want to have your swoop. You could do a little bit more if you follow along with me, but trust me. Now tell me, was this install routine easy enough for you all where you feel like you could follow it? Definitely let me know. I wanted to keep it simple, okay? But like, look at me swooping for my dear life, and look how hard that hairline looks, especially on the left side. My God, ooh. So I wanted to wear a similar makeup look to the one that you guys saw when I was wearing the Velcro roller set with the human hair unit, because I had to capture the essence, the aesthetic I wanted you guys to get the full on vibe. And so I'm going in with a paddle brush just to remove the excess shed hair from when I pluck the hairline and the parting space, because I only like to do that towards the end because I just don't want to disrupt the hair. And as you can see, the luster on this unit is pretty moderate. It's not overwhelming, but again, if you use excess product, you can increase the shine. You may want to use a bit of dry shampoo actually. Now I'm starting to fall in love. She's coming together, but I'm noticing that the curls on the right side curl inward towards my face. So I'm just trying to finesse it, get it together. But the curls on the left side, oh honey, they are working. Now to keep it real, I'm not a fan of a straight right side part. I love curvature. I just think it looks more natural and it better frames my face. But all things considered, girl, get this wig. Knowing what I know, because you really honestly don't have to show much of the hairline. You could just do an adult swoop around the part and look how gorgeous this unit is. But I'm on a hunt to continue to bring you guys a synthetic version of styles that I create. Should I make it a series? Because you know I can get in my creative bag, start making units and try to find, you know, the more affordable versions for you guys online. This gives a body wave. This gives soft barrel curls. This gives effortless. It gives I'm ready for my dinner reservation. You can pick me up at 8. Oh, I like the way that sounds. You get me? It's that type of time, especially as we ease into summer. I want my ladies to feel good. I want you all to feel good. I want you to look good, celebrate yourself, and be seen, okay? We not inside. Let them admire you. But thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. Kiki with me in the comments. Let me know how I did, and I hope I see you in the next one.